Hey everyone, this is SSFall once again, and now I'm going to be doing a kind of a quick video food review in the middle at late night. It's called My Microwave Made Chicken Parmesan. I'm going to take a bite of it. And 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 I'm gonna let you know how it tastes. So here we go. It's gooey, it's cheesy, and I'm gonna take a bite of it here on camera. So here we go. I hope you guys are watching because here it goes. It's gooey, it's saucy, it's cheesy, and it's messy. 5 stars. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this quick food review. So, see you guys in the morning. Good night for now.